Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing something very different. I'm going to be working out with Whitney Simmons, so that's exciting. So stay tuned. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. But you guys, I'm going to do some workouts today. I'm going to film it because Whitney Simmons told me that I needed to work out, so I'm gonna work out. Well, she didn't like physically tell me that I needed to work out, but like she spoke to my soul. Okay, I was watching one of her videos and she spoke to my soul, so we're gonna work out with Whitney Simmons, and we're gonna hope for the best. She's got like some steps that we have to do first before we get into the workouts, so we're gonna do all those together, and I hope it's a fun video experience for you. What? She's like, what? But anyways, I guess we're just gonna play the video. I hope this video doesn't go south and it's actually a good one, but we're gonna play the video and we're going to just do it. So here is to 2020. Let's get our goals and let's accomplish them. So yeah.
Alright, so today I'm going to be taking you through a complete leg and booty workout, baby. Who doesn't love leg day? Me, honestly, I don't love leg day anymore. I know it's been the longest bit since I've done a complete workout here on YouTube. That's because my videographer, she up and left me, but I'll find a new one, don't worry, okay? We'll get the workouts going again here on YouTube. But leg day, I can always just film myself, you know? I just put the camera in the back, you know? Here's my butt crack. That's what I'll be doing today. Step one of getting pumped up for leg day. If you're not feeling legs anymore, here's step one. Put a cute gym outfit on. Here's my gym outfit for the day. I'm wearing the camo seamless in lilac gray. So stinking cute. Don't look at my room. That's very disrespectful of you. I know that it's dirty. I'm gonna pop on the long sleeve crop top on top, you know? Winter, need some coverage. Step number two, we need pre-workout. Y'all know I can't work out without pre-workout. I gotta finish off these last 2 bottles of pre-workout. But here's the problem. This is a stimulant-free pre-workout. I love mixing this in with my pre-workout on leg day especially. I mean, listen, this pump product, it makes your butt look so good.
I'm just kidding. I have my teamy skinny tea, so.
Nothing's better than when you finish your hip thrust and you're just walking to get some water, restroom break. That's what my butt looks like? Alright, just got to the gym. I still start every single leg workout. The noise cancellation, it feels like I'm talking to myself. Still start every single leg workout off with glute activation. It has completely changed my glutes and my leg days. If you have a hard time feeling exercises in your glutes, then please get yourself a band and do some of these exercises that I just did. Glute activation exercises help get the blood flowing, a good pump going in your glutes. I really take the time to focus on squeezing and emphasizing my glutes through these exercises before I hit the weight. So then by the time I hit the weights, my glutes, they're awake. Huh? That was cute, rhymed. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up my barbell for hip thrusts. Hip thrusts have completely changed my life and my glutes. For the first couple years I was lifting, I was never doing hip thrusts. And so I wasn't seeing tremendous growth in my glutes because I wasn't isolating just the glutes. I have 2 leg days a week, and the first leg day of the week always starts out with hip thrusts. Today I'm gonna go for 4 sets of 8, maybe a burnout set, haven't decided yet. But I'm excited. The glutes are gonna be crying. Oh, I'm rhyming like crazy. Now remember, on hip thrust, to be tucking your chin. You want your chin tucked to your chest. You wanna be on a bench or a box that is about knee height. And I like to place that bench just underneath my shoulder blades. After my warm-up set, I'm feeling good. I doubled up that weight and I went in for 4 sets of 8 hip thrusts. Holy heckin' Bob. Glutes on fire, baby. Now, because these sets are very difficult and I am really pushing myself here, I do take a good 2 to 3 minute rest in between these hip.
It's at this very second that I realized that this is gonna look highly inappropriate, but you know what? We're just gonna roll with it because we're supposed to be doing hip thrusts, and I can't help it that my dog decided to get on top of me. So this looks kind of inappropriate, but she's my weight since technically I didn't really have much of a weight. So you know what? We just rolled with it and just keep watching because, well, it doesn't work out in the end, okay? It doesn't work out. So just keep on watching. Oh.
Good 2 to 3 minute rest in between these hip thrusts. You want to give yourself that time to rest for 2 minutes, recover, sip on a little bit of water, and make sure that you are good to go for your next set. It is important to take that rest period so that your form stays good in every single set. After hip thrusts, we are now moving into deficit split lunges. The deficit is definitely more of an advanced. The deficit is definitely more of an advanced movement, so take that plate out if you've never done this before or you are more of a beginner. You can also swap the barbell here out with dumbbells. That's the awesome thing about lifting is you can make modifications where you need it based off of the level and the comfort that you are currently at. So today I am front loading the barbell, meaning that I will be holding it in front. It's actually going to place a bit more emphasis on my quads, okay? Now moving into deficit split lunges. The deficit is definitely more of an advanced movement, so take that plate out if you've never done this before or you are more of a beginner. You can also swap the barbell here out with dumbbells. That's the awesome thing about lifting is you can make modifications where you need it based off of the level and the comfort that you are currently at. So today I am front loading the barbell, meaning that I will be holding it in front, which is actually going to place a bit more emphasis on my quads, okay? These split squats are about to kill your quads, baby. Now the reason for the deficit is that it's gonna give you a bit more room to go up and down. In a split squat, you want to focus on pressing through your heel on the way up. Make sure that that front foot stays very flat. I've noticed some people tend to go up on their toes. You wanna focus on keeping your weight pressing through your heel and squeezing and activating your glute on the way up. We're doing 3 sets of 8 reps on each leg. So you wanna rest after you finish 8 reps on each leg, and then even for this movement I'm taking a good 2 to 3.
Okay, you guys, here's the thing. I'm already sweating and I'm not doing any of this correctly. I kind of thought it'd be kind of fun to do, but I'm also kind of serious about it, so I feel like I've still kind of worked out a little bit because my heart rate is up. I am sweating and yeah, I don't feel too good. Hold on, this is like a terrible angle. But yeah, we are actually gonna like exercise. God bless this hair. We are actually gonna exercise more this year, so it's totally fine. I kind of thought this video would actually seem a little bit better. It was more fun in my head to do than it was to actually do it. So there's the story there. But I do want to encourage you, if you do want to start living more of a healthy lifestyle and whatnot, just do it. You know, I didn't do much, but I got my blood pumping, okay? So that is saying something. This is a very good start to the new year, January 2nd, and I've already broken a sweat. And it wasn't just, you know, eating something really bad. So anyways, I hope this video inspired you to not do what I did. I'm actually out of breath, and that's how you know I'm very, very out of shape. So I'm gonna leave it at that. So anyways, you guys, I'm so sorry this video was terrible, but I did break a sweat, so we did accomplish something today. We accomplished a sweat, so that's the point of the video, to really get our body going, get it used to working out, even though it was like really bad. But I'm gonna end the video here, so if you did not like it, let me know. We probably won't ever do this again. It was just an idea that I thought would be fun, and then it turned out to not be very fun. But anyways, if you guys did like it, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!